A multimeter is one of the most essential tools for electrical testing, yet many people find it confusing. Whether you're fixing electronics, checking batteries, or troubleshooting household wiring, knowing how to use a multimeter can save time, money, and frustration. In this video, we'll explain everything step by step, simple, safe, and easy to follow. What is a multimeter? A multimeter is a measuring instrument used to test voltage, current, and resistance. It helps you understand what's happening inside an electrical circuit. There are two main types: analog multimeters with a moving needle, digital multimeters with an LCD screen. Digital multimeters are more common today because they are accurate and easier to read. Main parts of a multimeter. Before learning how to use a multimeter, let's understand its parts. Display shows the measurement value. Dial or selector switch chooses the measurement type. Test leads, red and black probes used for testing. Ports, where the test leads are connected. The black probe usually goes into the COM port. The red probe goes into the voltage, resistance, or current port. Safety tips before using a multimeter. Safety is extremely important when working with electricity. Always start with the highest measurement range. Never touch the metal tips of the probes while testing. Do not measure current by placing probes directly across a power source. Make sure the multimeter is rated for the voltage you're testing. Following these basic rules helps prevent damage and injury. How to measure voltage using a multimeter. Voltage is the most common measurement. First, turn the dial to V. Choose DC voltage for batteries and electronics. Choose AC voltage for household power outlets. Insert the black probe into COM. Insert the red probe into the V port. Place the probes across the power source, red to positive, black to negative. The voltage value will appear on the screen. This is how you check batteries, chargers, and wall outlets. How to measure resistance. Ohms. Resistance tells you if a wire or component is damaged. Turn the dial to the ohm symbol, usually shown as omega. Make sure the circuit is powered off. Place the probes on both ends of the component or wire. A low value means good continuity. A very high or infinite value means a broken circuit. This function is useful for testing fuses, wires, and switches. How to test continuity. Continuity testing checks if electricity can flow through a circuit. Turn the dial to the continuity symbol, often a sound wave or diode icon. Touch the probes together to confirm the meter beeps. Now place the probes on the wire or component. If you hear a beep, the circuit is complete. No sound means the connection is broken. How to measure current. Amps. Measuring current is different and must be done carefully. Move the red probe to the amp port. Turn the dial to A. The circuit must be open so current flows through the multimeter. Never measure current by placing probes across a power source. This method is commonly used in automotive and electronics work. Common multimeter mistakes to avoid: using the wrong dial setting, placing probes in the wrong ports, measuring resistance on a live circuit, not starting with the highest range. Avoiding these mistakes keeps your multimeter safe and accurate. Why learning how to use a multimeter matters. Knowing how to use a multimeter helps you diagnose problems quickly. It saves repair costs and improves safety. From car batteries to home appliances, this single tool can solve countless issues. Once you learn it, it becomes one of the most powerful tools you own. If this guide helped you, like the video, subscribe for more tool tutorials, and check the description for beginner-friendly multimeters and safety tips.